Hey everyone, this is Team 38. Now I'm going to show you our data visualization project. As you can see on the screen, this is our welcome page. And the primary function of this website is on the map page. We can go to the map page by clicking the button on the navigation bar, or we click the Explore Now button. Both will lead to the map. As you can see, there is a pop-up on the page, prompting you to select a topic. By now, we only have 3 topics, which are China-related, COVID-19, and happiness. For example, China-related means that tweets are filtered by keywords. I mean, the keywords should contain China or China-related words, and it's the same in terms of COVID-19. But for happiness, the tweets are not filtered by keywords. That is, we use all tweets to analyze the sentiment. Anyway, it's an overall sentiment about the tweet. So we take the happiness as an example. If we click the happiness, the data is being requested from the CoachDB database. Then it will prompt you to choose areas. And the areas can be different if given different topics. This is because for the first 2 topics, we have filtered tweets, so there will not be enough data if we make the granularity into suburbs. I mean, in these scenarios, we can only compare between greater cities, like Greater Melbourne or Greater Sydney, but for the happiness topic, there are 2 options of the area. We first click on the state. Then the map will be initialized. As you can see, the greater cities are colored, and we can see there is a button on the upper right of the page. Basically, it means the scope that we want the color shows. By default, it is set to the sentiment. So the deeper the color is, the better the sentiment is. And we click one of the cities, we can see an information window showing the abstract information about the sentiment. Then we click the details. We can see a model popping up, including several charts and text. There are 3 texts available: tweets information, population, and income. For the tweets information, the charts show the sentiment proportion. For the population, the charts show the gender and the age proportion. And for the income, is the income proportion and the source proportion. The styles are the same for other cities. Then we switch to the area to Melbourne. As you can see, the suburbs are filled with different colors. And we click on a random one, the information style is similar. And then we switch the scope to the population size, and you can see the color changed. Also, the income function is the same. For the age, you can see Melbourne CBD is full of youth. Apart from that, there is one other function. We click the analysis button, and then we can either make analysis in descriptive statistic or regression. We first check the descriptive statistic. You can see that we can find the area only to allow the state. We then pick one label for the y-axis, just as the sentiment towards China. Here comes a bar chart. We see that the capital shows the best sentiment, while Darwin shows the worst. Then we choose the sentiment for COVID-19. We see that the Sydney shows poor sentiment, while Darwin and Canberra are better. On the regression tag, we can make a correlation analysis between our data and the tweets data. We need to select 2 axes. For example, we choose age and happiness in Melbourne suburbs. Then you will see there is a negative correlation, but not as strong. Also, we choose age and sentiment for COVID-19 between states. It's also weak negative correlation. but the number of samples is small. Anyway, this is just a function and can be considered as a prototype. So we are able to make optimization in the future. Thanks for watching.